am Young Fortune. I am 9 years old and I'm going to be addressing about climate change. Climate change is a very serious issue affecting the earth. And the first thing we're supposed to know is, what is climate? Climate is the normal weather of the earth over a long time. And another thing that we are supposed to know is, what is climate change? What we are talking about today. So climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather, like getting warmer or drier or wetter. And there are causes of the climate change. And you know what? We human beings are the main causes of climate change. By the activities that we do, like burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, to produce energy for transport. And also cutting down trees. This releases heat, trapping pollution called the greenhouse gases. And the dangers or effects of these causes are extreme weather, like heavy rains and longer droughts, And also we have diseases and also forced displacement. Surely, can you continue living in a flooded area where your house is taken away? It's just flowing. All your animals, all your clothes, there's no food. You can't continue staying there, right? Yeah. So you'll be forced to go to another place to look for shelter. And that's what we are calling forced displacement. But the good part is that there are solutions to this to stop the climate change. And there are a lot of them, but I'm going to mention one, which is mitigation. Put efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Let's try to drive less and let's plant trees. And if we do all this, I'm sure we will stop climate change. And now, let us get some more knowledge through my small project here. Now, I have 3 types of land. And here the first one, as you can see, I've written contaminated environment. Now, this environment doesn't look good, right? It has all sorts of rubbish. It has all sorts of smell. It is full of burning fossils. It is just very contaminated. And no one can choose this one to live in, right? This one is very, very dirty. And on the second one, it's a little bit good, but not really good. Now, it doesn't have rubbish, yes, but it is bare environment. This means it doesn't have anything. It doesn't have life. It doesn't have trees. It doesn't have anything. Like, it just gets soil erosion. It is very, very bare. And you can't also choose this one because there's no fresh air, there's no rain, there's nothing. And now, to the third one, I've written safe kept environment. As you can see, this land looks beautiful. It looks like it is just very amazing. You can even wish you yourself to stay here, right? Yeah, it has trees which bring fresh air, which also brings rain. And you can even really want to live here. and not these other two environments. So what am I trying to tell you? Here, we can't fit all of us, right? So why don't we clean up these other ones and make them look like this one, so that we can all fit in a very beautiful and very good looking and very healthy environment to stop the climate change. These two are adding on causes of climate change, but this other one is helping. So let's try to stop climate change by fixing these other two lands, and let's have our environments clean and safe and well kept. Thank you.